Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Google Play Store purchase history. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, click on your profile picture, and here you need to click on payments and subscription. Here you can see different options. You simply need to click on subscription, and from here simply need to click on remove, and your subscription will be removed by clicking on this button and click on remove. So this is the process how you can remove subscription. But here you can see that budget and history, but unfortunately there is no option to delete the budget and history. You can only delete the subscription by clicking on the remove. So this is the only method possible. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.